Are you tired of scooping your cat's litter box every single day? Do you ever wish there was an easier way to keep your home fresh and your furry friend happy without all that constant cleaning? Well, you're not alone. And that's exactly why automatic litter boxes have become such a game changer for cat owners everywhere. But here's the real question: do they actually work as promised? Are they worth the investment, or are they just another gadget that sounds good on paper? Today we're diving deep into some of the best automatic litter box solutions that claim to make your life easier while keeping your pet cleaner and your home smelling better. Stay tuned as we reveal the top picks and the real pros and cons you need to know. And hey, if you're serious about finding honest reviews that actually help, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Legit Pick. Number 7. Whisker Litter-Robot 4. The Whisker Litter-Robot 4 is more than just an improvement. It seems like a completely new experience for cat owners. It is immediately usable out of the box. There is no technical construction required. Simply plug it in and scan the QR code to connect to the Whisker app. Everything becomes much easier to manage after that. The design in particular jumps out. The broad circular hole gives it a futuristic feel, and cats unexpectedly seem interested in it. Many testers reported that their cats acclimated quickly after initial hesitancy. Furthermore, it is significantly quieter than previous models. Not silent, but gentle enough not to shock your pets. In terms of cleaning, it is almost effortless. After your cat has finished its business, the inside sphere slowly rotates, filtering out trash and replenishing new litter for the next usage. The garbage falls into a lined drawer that is simple to remove and empty. Some intriguing features include a built-in nightlight and sophisticated sensors that sense your cat's weight and presence, eliminating accidents while cleaning. The app also allows you to monitor litter usage and your cat's behavior, which is useful for multi-cat households. Obviously, no product is flawless. The Litter-Robot 4 is rather huge, thus space may be an issue in smaller households. Furthermore, because waste is held separately from litter, odors can occasionally escape more easily than in a standard box. Overall, it's a game changer for cat owners seeking simplicity and cleaner litter management. Number 6. Neakasa M1 Open-Top Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. The Neakasa M1's open-top design makes it a unique twist on automatic litter boxes. Unlike enclosed models, which might feel confined, this litter box seems more natural and spacious for your cat. It's especially useful for larger cats, as it can support weights of up to 33 pounds. Our testers' big cats, including a Maine Coon, adapted fairly well. However, the high entry point slowed their first transfer. Cat owners will love the simple setup. Simply attach the feet and put it in the tray, and it's ready. The app setup took a little longer because it required both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi pairing, but once connected, it provides useful insights. You can monitor your cat's toilet activities, manage litter levels, and set cleaning cycles all from your smartphone. Cleaning is really basic. The garbage bin is fully lined, making emptying it simple. And cleaning the inside and outside takes only a few minutes. However, because the item cannot be disassembled, thorough cleaning may be more difficult. Noise is not an issue either. The M1 functions silently, similar to a running refrigerator, so it will not startle sensitive cats. However, because of the open design and high entry, cats may kick litter out as they depart, resulting in some tracking even with the accompanying mat. On the disadvantage, it does not seal odors as well as enclosed boxes, although the trash bags help to lessen aromas. Overall, the Neakasa M1 provides comfort, clever features, and easy maintenance, particularly for larger cats. Number 5. PetZone Smart Scoop. The PetZone Smart Scoop automatic litter box is a simple yet effective option for cat owners looking to streamline litter box cleaning without overcomplicating things. This litter box uses a simple rake mechanism to detect when your cat has used it and waits approximately 30 minutes before cleaning. The rake moves gently and softly through the litter, depositing debris in an enclosed chamber. The machine's silent functioning is a notable feature. Your cat will most likely not notice it is running. Another advantage is the odor control. It has a carbon zeolite filter tucked behind the waste compartment lid to assist in trapping undesirable odors effectively. Installing the provided waste bags is simple, and replacing them when full is quick and clean. It appears to be a simple design, but it continually performs well. The supplied rake is well designed and doesn't clog easily, and you can get a little cleaning tool for upkeep. On the negative, the litter box is relatively shallow. If your cat enjoys digging, the depth may be restricting. Furthermore, extremely small clumps may occasionally slip through the rake, necessitating manual cleaning. cleanup. Another minor issue is the lack of onboard storage for the accompanying scoop, which means you'll have to find a place for it nearby. The Pet Zone Smart Scoop isn't about flashy features. Instead, it concentrates on silent operation, dependable cleaning, and effective odor management. If you want simplicity and functionality, it's an excellent solution for single or two-cat homes. Number 4. Litterbox 3 Connect Cat Litter Box. The Litterbox Robot 3 Connect is designed to make litter box maintenance easier and cleaner. This self-cleaning litter box features a sophisticated sifting system that automatically separates waste from clean litter, ensuring that your cat always has a fresh location to use. After your cat leaves, the drum gently turns, transferring waste to a hidden drawer that is easy to empty when full. It also includes a built-in carbon filter to help control odors and keep your home feeling fresh. One notable aspect is its app compatibility. The Whisker app allows you to monitor your cat's litter box activity from your phone. It delivers notifications when the waste drawer is full and allows you to follow your cat's habits over time, which is useful for monitoring their health. This litter box can hold up to 4 cats, provided each weighs at least 5 pounds. It is built with safety in mind and performs best when placed away from walls or corners to ensure smooth operation. However, it is not ideal. Compared to the new Litter-Robot 4, the Litter-Robot 3 is slightly larger and louder when in action. The design isn't as current or sleek. Occasionally, customers may encounter the common bonnet error, in which the computer incorrectly believes its lid is open. Fortunately, Whisker's customer service is known for being prompt and helpful. In short, if you're looking for a dependable self-cleaning litter box with app functions, the Litter-Robot 3 Connect is an excellent, user-friendly choice. Number 3. Casa Leo's Loo 2. Smarty Pear's Leo's Loo 2 is a modern, self-cleaning litter box that simplifies cat care. Once your cat has finished its business, the Loo mechanically sifts through the litter, separating waste and depositing it in a locked drawer beneath. You can almost say goodbye to everyday scooping. Its securely sealed drawer, along with carbon filters and UV sterilization, effectively controls odors and keeps your home smelling fresh. One distinguishing characteristic is its intelligent network. The software monitors your cat's weight and litter box visits, allowing you to keep track of your pet's health with no effort. You may also design cleaning cycles remotely and use simple voice commands to trigger a cleaning cycle with Alexa or Google Assistant. Noise isn't an issue either. Leo's Loo 2 functions quietly at just 30 decibels, making it suitable for sensitive pets or light sleepers. Safety is also well thought out, with anti-pinch sensors, radar detection, and weight sensors to keep your cat secure during each cycle. Now for the disadvantages. Cleaning the unit may be more time-consuming than alternative options, and if you have numerous cats, be prepared to empty the waste drawer more frequently than expected. Nonetheless, its greater reservoir outperforms many other models. Leo's Loo 2 adds personality to its high-tech design by offering entertaining color options such as avocado green and baby blue. Overall, if you want a quiet, app-controlled litter box with excellent odor control and safety features, this one is worth considering. Number 2. Catlink Self-Cleaning Litter Box Scooper Luxury Pro X. The Catlink Luxury Pro X self-cleaning litter box is intended for multi-cat households and makes litter box maintenance virtually straightforward. What distinguishes this item is its smart app integration. You can monitor your cat's health in real time, including its weight, litter box visits, and even the humidity and temperature conditions inside the box. The app also gives trash level updates and allows you to schedule cleaning remotely, and it works with Alexa and Google Home for voice control. Odor management is another great suit. It effectively eliminates bad odors using a charcoal filter, UV sterilization, and an air purifier. Even in small places, this box keeps the air clean. When it comes to cleaning, the smooth inside surface is resistant to adhering and easy to wipe down. Catlink ensures your feline safety. Built-in sensors halt the cleaning cycle if your cat enters, eliminating mishaps. The box also has a light to help senior cats navigate. On the negative, the entry point is very high, which may be difficult for kittens or elderly cats without the optional ramp, which is sadly sold separately. Furthermore, its big size may be inconvenient to tight situations. The waste drawer is amply large, holding up to 2 weeks of litter for 2 cats, making it ideal for busy owners or frequent travelers. Overall, the Catlink Pro X combines technology and practicality, providing a hands-free, odor-free experience while monitoring your cat's well-being. Number 1. PetSnowy SNOW Plus Self-Cleaning Litter Box. The PetSnowy SNOW Plus Self-Cleaning Litter Box is designed for multi-cat families, and it performs admirably in terms of cleanliness and odor control. One of the notable features is its ingenious entry system, which allows cats to enter a pre-litter area with a litter pad and staggered entry window, catching stray litter from their paws before it spreads throughout the house. This style is ideal for keeping floors clean. Once inside, your cat uses the box as usual. After that, the automatic cleaning system takes over, neatly putting waste into self-sealing bags. Swapping these out is really simple. Slide out the trash tray and the sealed bag pops out, reducing odors and mess. The Snow Plus has triple-layer odor control, featuring a TO2 technology that eliminates odor without requiring replacement filters. On the negative, it is a rather large and hefty machine, so it may not be perfect if you have limited room. Also, while the box functions properly, the app connection can be hit or miss. Our tester reported connectivity troubles and longed for greater tracking of long-term usage data. Despite these minor inconveniences, cleaning the unit is simple. All pieces are simply disassembled for proper cleaning. Overall, the Snowy Pet Snow Plus is ideal for busy households with several cats, providing increased odor control, reduced litter tracking, and the convenience of automatic waste management. It's a modern approach that can significantly reduce your daily litter box workload. And that's it. We hope this list of the finest automatic cat litter boxes makes things easy for you and your cat. Whether you like the fancy features of the Whisker Litter-Robot 4 or something more simple like the Pet Zone Smart Scoop, there's something for everyone. These litter boxes are more than just fascinating gadgets. They actually save time and keep things cleaner. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Legit Pick for more easy and honest evaluations, and click the bell button to never miss an update.